Welcome to the Frozen Ice Kingdom adventure. Before we begin, ask your mommy or daddy to subscribe so we can go on more magical adventures together. All right, little explorers, let's step into the Icy Kingdom and start our yoga journey. Level 1, Easy, Snowflake Star. Stretch your arms and legs wide. Be a beautiful snowflake. Twinkle and shine. Ice rock curl. Crouch down small, wrap your arms around your legs. Stay still like a frozen ice rock. Cold breeze stretch. Raise your arms up, lean side to side. Feel the cold wind blowing. Stand tall and still, arms by your side. You are a strong snowman. Level 2, Medium Ice Adventurers, Ice Skater Balance. Stand on one leg, stretch the other back, balance like an ice skater. Good work. Place one foot on your leg, hands together. Stay still like a snowy tree. Lie down, lift your body up, make a strong ice bridge. Lie on your tummy, push up your chest, slide like a seal on ice. Reach your arms high, stretch long like a hanging icicle. Level 3, Hard Ice Heroes, Crystal Balance. Stand on one leg, arms out wide. Shine like a glowing ice crystal. You are doing great. Now snowstorm spin. Stand tall, slowly turn your body like a swirling snowstorm. Ice Warrior. Step one leg forward, bend your knee, arms strong. You are an ice warrior. Great job. Frozen flight. Lean forward, lift one leg back, fly over the ice. Jump your legs wide, arms up high. Big energy like a snow blizzard. Amazing. You did amazing in the frozen ice kingdom. Take a deep breath in and out. If you had fun, ask your mommy or daddy to subscribe for more magical adventures. See you next time. Stay warm, little explorers.